Unlock the power of AI to understand your customers better. But remember, ethical use is key. First, let's clarify the ethical boundary. Trustpilot strictly prohibits generating fake reviews. We're focusing on using AI to analyze existing genuine feedback. Utilize AI-powered text analytics tools. Many are available online. To process your existing Trustpilot reviews, upload your reviews into the platform. Be sure to export your review data from Trustpilot first. The AI will identify prevalent themes, keywords, and sentiment, whether your customers are generally happy, disappointed, or neutral about specific aspects of your product. Track sentiment trends over time. Are customers more positive about your product after a recent update? Did a specific issue cause a dip in satisfaction? AI can help you spot these patterns. Finally, use these AI-driven insights to improve your product development, customer service, and marketing strategies. Address negative feedback points directly and highlight positive aspects in your campaigns. It's that easy.